Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Facebook notification is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step. First, when you are facing this problem, then check for the notification is enabled or not. For this, long press on the Facebook and go to the app info and go to the notification and check notification enable or not. If it disable, then enable it and check the problem. If you have already enabled the notification and still not working, then next is go to the Play Store and search here Facebook or Lite and check for update. If any update is available, then update it, otherwise follow next step. Next is check do not disturb. For this, scroll down and check do not disturb is enabled or not. If it is enabled, then disable it and check the problem. If it persists, then next is again long press on the Facebook and go to the app info and now click on the storage and cache, and once clear cache and one clear storage. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is uninstall the Facebook and reinstall. So by this way you can fix the notification problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.